All right, boys and girls, I'm going over the math from the other day. Most of you got them all right, but there were a few who still had some problems. So I just want to review again. How do we divide fractions? 3 steps, pretty simple. The 3 steps are keep, change, flip. As in, you keep the first fraction the same, you change the division sign to multiplication, and you flip the next fraction. Keep, change the sign, flip this fraction. Flipping it is called the reciprocal fraction. It's just when you put the bottom number on top, the top number on the bottom. So for that first problem, 9/10 divided by 5/3. Keep that first fraction. Change the division to multiplication. Flip this fraction into the reciprocal. So instead of 5/3, it becomes 3/5. Now it's multiplication, easy peasy lemon squeezy. 9 times 3 is 27. 10 times 5 is 50. They share no greatest common factor. It's not improper, therefore that is my answer. Don't forget, once you get an answer, you have to say, can it be simplified? Is it improper? Does it need to be renamed? Okay, we take a look at our second one. Keep, change, flip. We keep the first one. We change the sign. We flip that next fraction. So we keep the 1/6. We change the division to multiplication. We flip this fraction around, so instead of 8/11, it's 11/8. And now we just have to multiply across. 1 times 11 is 11, and 6 times 8 is 48. Like this one, it's not improper. They have no greatest common factor. That is your answer. Down here, again, we keep. We change, we flip. So we keep 1/3. We change our division to multiplication. And we flip this fraction around, so instead of 1/4, it's 4/1. Now we multiply across, easy peasy lemon squeezy. 1 times 4 is 4. 3 times 1 is 3. Now, unlike the other ones, we have a problem. This is an improper fraction, so we have to rename it. Remember, it's just a division problem. That's what that fraction bar means. This is just 4 divided by 3. So how many 3's fit into 4? 1. How many are then left over if we took those 3 out? 1. The denominator becomes the same. 1 1/3 is my answer. And finally, the last one was 3/4 divided by 3/5. Keep, change, flip. Keep our 3/4. Change the division to multiplication, flip around that second fraction, so instead of 3/5, it's 5/3. Multiply across, 3 times 5 is 15. 4 times 3 is 12. Oh, it's improper. 15 divided by 12. How many 12's fit into 15? 1. What's 15 minus 12? 3. Now, the only problem is it still has one more step. 3/12. That can be simplified. So we keep that 1, bring it over. What's the greatest common factor of 3 and 12? 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 12 divided by 3 is 4. And my answer is 1 1/4. So that's a review of the problems. Now, here's the question for you. I'm going to put it up here, and you're supposed to put it in the comment section. Put your answer in the comment section, and we'll see who participated and who had the right answer on Monday. So the problem that you're going to do on your own and put the answer in the comment section is 1/2 divided by 3/9. So I'm kind of out of room over here, so I'm just going to come over here and write it down for you. 1/2 divided by 3/9. 1/2 divided by 3/9. Solve this problem on your own and put the answer in the comment section for this video, and you'll get a point for participation and a point if your answer is correct. Of course, I won't tell you who's correct until Monday. So 1/2 divided by 3/9. Bye.